mis amigas, ¿cómo están? I am so happy to be here, you guys. You guys have no idea. Like, I have been missing filming for you guys, just doing videos in general, just bringing my joy back and getting back into the routine. Like, you guys have no freaking idea how I'm happy to be here, and I just can't express myself, but I just cannot. But I am here, you guys. I really hope you guys have had a happy New Year's, happy 2023, you guys. This year is going to be a really good year, you guys, and I can feel it and I can sense it and I know it already. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video, and I'm so glad that you guys tuned in again and just doing my thing here, my videos and cleaning videos and stuff like that. So I am just happy. You guys have no idea, but I'm just so excited to be here and for you guys to watch this video. And if you guys are new, hi and welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys have a great time here, and if you guys are returners, thank you guys so much for sticking with me and the whole thing, because I am here and I'm ready to rock and roll. So let's get this video started, you guys, and enjoy. So how fun is it to clean the garbage can? But let me tell you guys, but I was super excited to clean this up because it was seriously filthy. Like the creases in the lid, it was disgusting. I was just like surprised about it, and I was like, no, I need to get my hands in here and give it a little bit of like scrub and stuff like that. But I am just using vinegar, my favorite solution here that I love to use for everything in around my house. But this is what I'm doing right now. I did want to talk to you guys and share with you guys a little bit of what I've been doing the past couple months and around my house and stuff like that. But as you guys know, throughout my channel, like my goal has always been to simplify my house and just get rid of the clutter that is not necessary anymore, that I don't even use, or just keeping up space. So that's what I'm doing, working on this new year. And I gotta say that that's going to be my goal that's going to continue for this upcoming year. And just because like I just feel I still have so many stuff, and especially in my garage, mis amigas, like you guys have no idea, it's kind of like freaking me out, but slowly I will be there, and I hope one time I can show you guys what my garage is looking like right now, just because it's just it's terrifying in there, you guys. I just cannot, every time I walk in there, it's just very scary. It's not pleasing. So that's one of my goals, mis amigas, getting rid of my junk, decluttering and simplifying my house, and just keeping the stuff that I just use on a daily basis as I can, of course. So yeah, tell me what are your goals for this year? I would like to hear them. I don't know about you guys, but just like keeping my house clean and organized and just neat as much as I can makes me feel so much better. And just working on my house and just looking around and stuff like that, as I was doing this video, I was thinking to myself, I was like, this is how important it is to clean and tidy up the house. And as much as I can, but I always try my best. I am not perfect, but I always try my best to keep it nice and clean. And that's what I'm saying. The less that I own, the more I feel more happy and grateful for the small things that I do have around the house. So yeah, you guys, I am loving this video so far, you guys, and I hope you guys are loving it too. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. All right, mis amigas. So one of the things as I was doing this video, I was like so guilty about it. I was like, you know what, this is just too much and it's not okay. But it is like there's, you know how you guys have these things that's like killing you, and like it's like, oh, I can never get it done just because I hate doing it so much. But I am gonna throw it out there, you guys. But one thing that I dislike is doing the dishes. Like, you guys have no idea. I don't know what it is, but I do not like doing the dishes. And if you know me, these dishes pile up, and I hate it so bad. But it's something that I'm going to continue to work on this year, of course. Just getting them cleaned as I see 5-1 or whatever. Just clean it and put it away, and there we go. Get it out of the way, just because like these dishes, man, I just don't like them. So, mis amigas, I am so sorry, but as I'm doing this video, I just kind of remember that I've never really showed you what my laundry room looked like. So here it is. It's not that big, but it's functional for me and my family. It's nice, and I think it's a decent size for all three of us. It's great. It doesn't have any storage like cabinet or anything like that above. So I do have those two baskets up there, which I keep like my rags, and like I believe I have dusters up there that I use throughout for the house, but that's all that I have up there. And all of my um, Clorox and detergent is right there, and that basket right there is where we keep our recycling stuff. So we just, I think it's just easy access for us. We just put the recycling stuff there, and then we just take it out through that garage door that's on the side of me. So yeah, this is, it's actually this laundry room is actually bigger than the one that I used to have in my previous house. If you guys go back and see, my my laundry room was in the kitchen, which is kind of weird. You can literally just see it opened, and it was kind of like when I had people over, I had to make sure, not to have like the laundry on or anything like that, because it was kind of like not pleasing looking. But yeah, anyways, I'm just so happy to have this laundry room. It works best for me, and it's great. It's spacious and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing right now. This laundry room needed a little bit of dust um, to be cleaned, and I know it looked clean, but there was a whole bunch of dust accumulating everywhere, and that's what I had to do. So that's what I'm doing right now, you guys. Okay, mis amigas, so we are getting near to the end of this video almost, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming back. You guys have no idea how it means to me that you guys are here and watching this video or my videos, and just keep having that support that we all need, like literally in this world. We all need to support one another, regardless what it is, whether it's small or big. Like, we have to be there for one another, and just help each other out, and just love each other out as much as you can, and love your family and your friends and everything that's around you, God especially, and whatever you believe in, just be grateful for what you have and stuff like that. But I am just blessed, you guys. I am just blessed with my house. I love my house, and I'm just so happy right now. Like, I'm in a happy spot in my life that I've never felt ever. But I am just really, really grateful for everything that I have, and I'm especially for you guys, because you guys motivate me and inspire me to keep continuing to do videos, because you guys love them so much. But again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much, and it means a lot to me. And let's see how far we can all go growing this little family together. 2023 is going to be a best year ever. It's been by far, and I'm just so happy. But yeah, mis amigas, again, I am so grateful for all of you guys that are even hear again. So I just loss of words, you guys, but I appreciate you all. Hope you guys like this video, and let me know what you guys thought about this video. What else do you guys want to see and stuff like that? So comment down below.